Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable cookies on Google Chrome browser, go to your Google Chrome and on upper right corner you will find a three dot icon. To show more, just click on that three dot icon and then go to settings. Now in left pane in left pane you will find privacy and security. Just click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. Under privacy and security you will find an option third-party cookies. Click on third-party cookies and scroll down again. Here block third-party cookies is selected. Right now you need to select allow third-party cookies to enable cookies. You need to select allow third-party cookies to enable cookie in Google Chrome. I'm going to select allow third-party cookies. This is the easy way to allow cookie in Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.